Hi guys, my name is Moe. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to find the important factors out from the rational function and sketch the graph of the rational. Here is the function that we use for today. First of all, you have to factor this function. When you factor this function, you will find the same equation in numerator and denominator. In this case, x plus 5. So you can cancel this, and then that is gonna be a hole in the graph later. So the final simplified function is 3x negative 2 over 4 times x negative 2. So as I told you, the hole was x equal negative 5. So we are gonna put negative 5 into the simplified function to make sure what is the y for it. So the whole is negative 5 and 17 over 28. So B point A, this is vertical asymptotes. When you solve it, you have to focus on the denominator. Denominator must not be 0. So you can write down the 4 times x negative 2 unequal to 0. So after you solve, you can know x unequal to 2. So vertical asymptote is 2.0. Same as the horizontal asymptotes, but the way is kind of different. When you solve it, you have to divide every number in the function by the most powerful x in the function. In this case, the most powerful x is x squared. So you divide every number by the x squared, and then you will find a normal number and also the number that x is in denominator. In this case, we will regard this number as a infinity, so we will regard as a 0. So the final answer is 3 over 4. So horizontal asymptote is 0.3 over 4. And then we are gonna make sure that our x-intercept and y-intercept for the graph. X-intercept, the y will be 0, so put the 0 into the y. And then you will find the two answers in this case, 2 over 3 and then negative 5. But we have to be careful, negative 5 was whole already. So we are not gonna regard it as an answer of x-intercept. So the answer is only 2 over 3.0. So y-intercept next. We will put 0 into the x. The answer is 0.1 over 4. These are the coordinates that we could have found before. So we are gonna put these coordinates onto the graph. The whole, when you write down the whole, you just write down the circle for it, and then vertical asymptote and then horizontal asymptote. You can use the dot line for it, and also you can use the other color if you want. Like you can see more easily. And x-intercept and y-intercept, put the point in there. This is the table that I used for making sure what is the coordinates for this function in the graph. I put as many as I could, but you don't need to write down that many. Just write down as much as you need for it. But this is a really important thing. When you find the coordinates really close to the vertical asymptote, for example in this case 1.8 or 9 or 7.5 and also 2.59 around there, you have to search more exactly. I mean, you can write down 1.5 or 2.5 that I did, because you have to make sure that the end behavior, I mean the direction, like on 2.9 it might be about over there or going down. I'm not sure, who knows. So you should put the 2.9 if you want. I put 2.5 or 1.5 into the table to make sure it's the y and then make sure the direction. And then after you make sure the sum of the coordinates, put the points on the graph and then they'll make a line. And this is the graph that I could make from the table. Also after finished, you can write down the whole and the coordinates. Do you know, like it's gonna be easy to see that. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you could understand and I could help you.